What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And today we're gonna be working on the Mustang. So we got it unloaded, got it in the shop, and we just kind of been going over what all needs to be done to it to get it ready to go racing, to get it ready to go up the road, you know, whatever we need, all that good stuff, as well as aesthetic things that we want to change, upgrade, add, all that kind of stuff.
Sorry, Henry.
Is that paint?
That's paint, brother.
Oh, God. Man, maybe we get to...
I got excited.
Yeah, that's a little too much.
It ain't exactly professional. But
Don't look at it too close.
yeah, I mean, that's one of them modern self-collapsing front ends, you know, for safety purposes.
Yep.
I'm putting them all in the right places. You gotta put a cut right there like that. Give you that nice buckling inward action whenever you hit head on with a brick wall.
So we're finishing up on the brake lines. Got the new rubber hose run. Got two new hard lines run to either side, and then we decided just now to go ahead and replace this old crusty line that goes to the rubber line up there. So
Most important modification
yeah,
of the whole car. Right here.
Yeah, I think the drive shaft loop's taking some lives. I just didn't know it.
Turned my head into a canoe a couple times.
Yeah, it's dangerous. But anyway, yeah, so we're gonna do that, and I think we're gonna go ahead and take out this old fuel line that's not being used. It was for nitrous. We ain't got time for that, so we're gonna get that out of here as well. So anyway, I'm having to use my phone.
Yeah, GoPro died. And
Yeah,
Dad go film his own things with it, with other pieces.
yeah. All right. So we've been working on getting the seat moved back some and adjusted to where it's more comfortable for us. And Dad's in there welding a brace for that, for the back of the seat. And we'll also be able to anchor some seat belts, I believe, to that setup, considering this car doesn't have a actual like crossbar in it. So also took the Pro Stock snorkel scoop off of it. You know, just kind of looking at this, getting some measurements. We had this little scoop. I'm not sure what this is off of. It's kind of shaped like a Boss 429, but it's not. It's a little shorter. Maybe off a later model GT or something. But anyway, just kind of using it as a visual. We want to do a Boss 9 scoop, I think. That piece of aluminum covers up the hole that's cut in the hood, which is quite large, unfortunately. So no matter what we do, it's not going to cover up all that. So that's just something we're going to have to live with for now until we get ready to do some pretty heavy fiberglass work.
I completed that ragged ass song off of that at least 10 times. That why they keep coming back.
Sinead just wants to be in your life. You got your wheels polished.
Got the medallions. Bam.
They look good.
Riding eternal. Shining and chrome.
You will ride eternal, shining and chrome.
I just realized I have two different center caps on them.
That's what makes a Mad Maxi, man. This thing's a mixed match of everything.
Mm-hmm. The last of the V8s.
Last of the V8s.
We just found what we could get. So we sacrificed my carb off my Windsor motor for now because it's just sitting back there at the moment, and
There's good liquids running through it.
yeah, we know it's got a good Jesse Holmes tune-up on it, so it ought to run good.
Cut the cameras. This ain't professional. This is highly unprofessional.
Everything in my life is...
They're all different. That one's different. That one's different. That one's probably different.
Yeah, it's about right. Yeah.
Only that one was the wrong one.
12.
Needs to remedies that.
I don't see none.
Burning something off the header. Ain't leaking nothing over there on that header, is it, Jeff? See where it's smoking from?
Yeah, it's burning off the header.
Okay.
Ready for my kitty ride now.
Yeah. I'm trying to make a maiden voyage and make sure some stuff works anyway, and then we'll kind of know where we're at. So mainly the brakes and transmission. So
Oh, that holds up pretty good.
yep.